Okay, so we're ready to start, I think, our 10th video from Math 108. And what we need to do is, we're still talking about probability, and we've got to talk about the probability of the complement of an event. So that's going to take a little bit of explaining. I don't think you'll find it going to be a big deal. It's actually be pretty simple. Let me just get ready with my software. Here we go. And then I come up here and get my pencil, and I'm ready to start. So what are we talking about? Here's the subject. It's the probability, and I think you're going to agree it's not going to be anything complicated. It's the probability of the complement of an event. Of the complement of an event. Okay, so let me give you an example that we're going to be able to use a little bit later. We'll call it problem number one. It really only takes one problem to illustrate this pretty straightforward concept. What if the probability of, let me start with this. Let's call E the event that you win the lottery. That you win a lottery. They're going to draw a ticket and you win the lottery. Okay, it's a simple lottery. No, not necessarily a big prize, but you win the lottery. Okay, now let me give you the probability. This is a given. The probability of winning the lottery is 1 out of 1,000. Now, here's this thing called the probability of the complement of an event. The complement of an event is what's the probability of E prime, which means what's the probability of not winning the lottery, not winning lottery. That is what probability of E prime is. The probability of E prime is what's the probability of not winning the lottery. And here's the formula. This is the formula. It's 1 minus the probability of E. What probability is 1 over 1,000? So we've got probability is 1 over 1,000. We got to do 1 minus 1 over 1,000. 1 minus 1 over 1,000 is 1 is the same thing as 1,000 over 1,000 minus 1 over 1,000, which is equal to 999 over 1,000. And that's the probability of not winning the lottery. Probability of E prime is 999 over 1,000. What's the formula? It's a simple formula. The probability of an event not happening is the number 1, is everything else, which is contained in 1, minus the probability of the event happening. Probability of the event happening is 1 over 1,000. Subtract that out of 1, and you get the complement of the event. That's a pretty straightforward formula and a pretty straightforward concept. And we're going to need this because the next thing that we need to do, and I want to put it in the next video, the next thing that we got to do is going to be called expectation. And we'll be able to use what we just learned when we get to expectation. It's not going to be the biggest deal in the world. Okay, so that's our next video. This one's a short one, and our next one is expectation. Okay, so let me stop right here. Short video.